In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to store all your open tabs in Microsoft Edge so you can easily reopen them anytime. This method is especially useful if you're researching, multitasking on several projects, or simply want to revisit your tabs later without losing track. To begin, first, take a look at your Microsoft Edge browser, where you have multiple tabs open. Now, what you'll want to do is right-click on any one of these open tabs. This brings up a handy context menu filled with options that will help you manage your browsing session efficiently. In this menu, you're going to look for and select More Tools. Under this option, you'll find Add All Tabs to Favorites. This is an incredibly convenient feature that allows you to save your entire browsing session in just a matter of clicks. Once you've clicked Add All Tabs to Favorites, you'll be prompted to decide where exactly you'd like to save these tabs. Here, you have the option to either choose an existing folder where you might already have other saved tabs, or you can create a brand new folder. Creating a fresh folder is often the tidier choice since it allows you to keep your tabs organized without mixing them with others. After you've made your decision, click Save. What this does is bookmark all your active tabs, securely storing them in your chosen folder. Essentially, you're capturing a snapshot of your current browsing session, enabling you to return to it whenever you need. Now that your tabs are neatly tucked away into a folder, you might be wondering how to access them when you're ready to dive back in. It's simple. Just navigate to the Favorites icon, which you'll usually find in the top right corner of your browser. If you're a fan of keyboard shortcuts, there's a quicker way. Just press Ctrl+Shift+O. This opens up the Favorites pane instantly. Within the Favorites pane, locate the folder where you saved your tabs. Once you find it, right-click on the folder. You'll be given a couple of choices. You can select Open All to load these tabs in your current window, or if you prefer to keep things separate, you can choose Open All in New Window. This flexibility allows you to manage your browsing session exactly as you prefer. And just like that, with a few straightforward steps, all of your bookmarked tabs are restored, and you're right back where you left off. It's a powerful productivity trick that ensures your workflow remains seamless and uninterrupted. Whether you're deep into research, juggling multiple projects, or just need a break without losing your place, this feature has got you covered. Happy browsing!